What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is UNLOCKIN worker. Hope you're staying safe and good. And in this video I'm gonna provide you GTA SA solo mode with more than 100 scripts. So that's a cool thing guys. If you're watching this video for the first time or also you are new to my channel, don't forget to give a subscribe and also a like, and also comment about the games and anything else if you want me to hack or patch or also make a video on it. So there's a file in the link of the file is in the description. You can just check it out. I've mentioned it, and also the file I'm providing you is encrypted, and the password of the file is of 8 characters, out of which 4 are words and 4 are numbers, and there's no word in capital. I mentioned it just now that there's no word in capital, all are in small letters. So and also all the passwords I'm going to provide you in any of my videos, there will be no capital word. So I'm going to tell you the password word by word in the whole video, so do not skip the video, because if you skip you might miss any of these words and you might have to watch the whole video again. And also do not forget to see the video. There's a link on the I button just now. So I performed the add function in this video, so you might see this video to know how to perform the add function. If you know that, that's cool, but if you do not know, must watch the video. So I wanted to tell you that do not skip the video, because if you skip the video you might miss 2 things: the word of the password, also you might miss a step how to do the installation. So let's go to it. So this is to be done like if you download the file from Chrome, if you have downloaded it. So I'm gonna tell you the password now. So the first word of the password is G, and now I'll tell you how to do that. So here is the file I have made. So this is the kind of the file you're going to get after downloading. So I'm going to tell you the password, and then it might extract this kind of a folder: GTA SA solo mode for Android by UNLOCKIN worker. So you have to open this folder, and there are two of these things: scripts and GTA SA solo mode APK. So don't do anything guys, just have a look on it. And also I'm gonna tell you how to see these are 107 scripts, and now I'm gonna tell you how to work it on. So the first step, that's the most important step you have to do: just go on Android device, go on OBB folder, where is you have to go to the OBB directory of your device, and then find this Rockstar Games GTA SA. So if you open it, you see all this folder. So just you have to do a single thing over here. So the next word of the password is E. You have to rename it, so you can add anything. I'm gonna add UNWO. So remember this guys, you have to add this UNWO, and then go and delete this APK of GTA SA. And now what you have to do is go back on Z Archiver and go to the folder where you have downloaded the folder of the APK of the file I've provided you. So the third word of the password is N, and install this APK now. So it is installing, and now it is almost done. So please guys, do not forget to subscribe and also like the video, and also comment down if it worked or not. So it's 100% safe, 100% working, so it has installed now. I'm gonna tell you how to do that. So the fourth word of the password is O. Click on open, and don't forget to do all these steps guys, because if you skip any of these steps you might lose all this. So you see the game might have crashed or it has stopped now. So just close it, and now go on go on device memory, go on data file, data directory of GTA Rockstar games, GTA SA. So you see this is a folder. You might see this kind of thing over here. So nothing is to be done, guys. So the first thing is the second thing you have to do is just go back to the OBB file, OBB folder. Let me see if it's recording. Yes. So go to the OBB folder and then rename it. It might have formed this kind of folder, so just delete this folder, click on yes, and then just rename the old folder to the original name. So I've told you the password, half the password, so it means that I've told you the words present in the password. Now the only thing left in the password are numbers. So the fifth number or the fifth character of the password is 6. So now open GTA SA. I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to explain you each and every script, how does it work, and also, so just go on offline, and you have to start the game from starting, because of some reason that the GTA I had, all the progress will be lost. But don't worry, guys, because all the progress you might have done in the time you have been playing, you can do that in just 10 minutes. So don't be sad, guys, because it can be recovered. And in this I would like to tell you the sixth word of the password, sixth number of the password, that is 5. So you can see Carl is really thin and all these cars and everything like that. So how to spawn cello mode folder is just swipe up to down, from up screen to down screen within CJ standing. So just down like that, and see there's no script. So how to bring the script is just close this and get back to Z archiver, and then go back to the downloaded file, and this is the SD card, and these are the scripts. So you have to click on single, no need to click on this. So there is an option of dual clicks like this. So click on it and select just one. If you have selected one, then click on this one, then click on select all, and now go on these 9 squares and click on cut, and now go to the data directory of GTA SA. So this is it, guys. This is the last step you have to do, and the seventh number of the password is 3. So just paste it over here and wait for it, guys. It is almost done. So it is done, guys. Now all your work is done. Just the last word and the last number of the password, and then your thing is done. You can just leave the video and go. So let me show you how does it work. Is it recording? Let me see. Yes, it is. So let's just skip this and let me show you. Look at this, how CJ so skinny, I mean so fit. He's got abs and muscles, so good. So that's so cool, guys. So let me show you the scripts. So look at this, guys. Look at this. So you've got this. So now I can spawn a car or bike. So let me show you how does it work. Just spawn a car or bike. You can spawn any of these. So let me take a bike or something. Yes, there's a bike. So I take this one. So I take buttons for it. So you can see there's a speedometer. Also there's a start button. Also there's a reset button. if you click on reset, it will remove all the modes you have applied on this bike, and if you click on power, it will go like this. So just leave the bike and go down to this place. So I'm gonna show you how does it work. Like let's spawn any of the vehicles once again. So I'm spawning this bike again, and let me show you how does the start button work. So this is the speed of the bike, and click on start. The bike would start flying in the sky. That's so cool. That happens with bikes and cars, anything. So if you just scroll from up to down once again, you can do vehicle fly. There are so many so I'm gonna tell you the last word of the password, last number of the password, that is 8. There are a lot of modes like this: auto driver, cheats. You can also find cheats, and you can also just, so let me increase money. Wanted level down, tank, stock car, love fist, gold. So let me show you how to increase money in it. So jetpack, no wanted, fun house, and there was a money armor. There was yeah, extra sunny weather, fast weapons for all. Yeah, this is the mission. This is the cheat, money, armor, health. So look at the way the money is increasing. So you can apply these cheats and all to do this. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If it doesn't work for you, just watch the whole video once again, because I've told you the password, and the password is real, safe. The password is real when working. So also this mode is real, 100% safe, 100% working. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and also if you want to ask some questions about this, just comment down. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.